Your frustration is kani usanas mga kaning nakahimo ron nga 34% na lang ang trust rating ni PBBM instead of 35% last March karon 34% na lang from gikan na sa 98% ni
98.
atong Hunyo last year Brigada Arnel no, but karon nagkaubos. Hypothetical question na Paniera, Attorney Regal Oliva, unsa kay tan-aw nimo, unsay maing buhaton ni PBBM nga mubalik ang imong pagsalig ngadto niya?
As of now, nakaduol ang 2028, nakaduol po ng the term that he ends. I think it might be also, I hope that he finds in his heart to settle political differences. Wa naman siya ani lapdog naman ni nga presidente. 'Di ba? Wa naman tay mahitabuan ni niya. If he can only settle different political differences and restart, can you just press the restart button and then move on?
Paniera, unsay imong frustrations karon sa ato ang nasod?
Ay, sus, kung frustration lang, mo na ilang gisulti, wa kunoy karapatan tang mo reklamo kay ato man ang gibutaran si Bongbong Marcos. Kami mo'y na karapatan mo reklamo kay namutar in town mi. 'Di ba? Grabe ato ang frustration sa kana bang we were expecting a united team kanang makakita tag from the Luzon North and from the Mindanao South. Nindot unta kaayo nga makita nato ang unity team kung na tinuod pa unta. The frustration stems out that the country has become worse rather than forward itself as the tiger economy which we were already placed up to be. So, sakit kaayo nga nindot na kaigdagan ang atong ekonomiya. Ang atong peace and order situation would have been very nice already. Naguba tanan karon and we went back to even the murag nibalik hinuntas martial law time nga gubot kaayo atong ekonomiya, ubos kaayo, atong dollar rate is very low, atong peso watay bragging rights sa atong peso. Our OFWs are embarrassed to call themselves Filipinos. It's very hard, and then we have already tainted maletas to be a bad image. So these are things that we are very sad of, and if we fight the government, if we go against the administration, cases are trumped up against us. No, sakit kayo. Makita kag mga kaso nga 2019 pa, nalubong naman unta to sa COA.
Kang Cayetano.
Di ba? Karon gibanhaw nila balik para lang gyud naa sila case nga ma-file against Peter Cayetano for being a staunch critique against the administration. Ug nakita po nila nga grabe kayo ang points nga gi-raise ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano in the impeachment court. No, he's not being he's not being defensive of the defense. It's just that Alan Peter Cayetano has had questions that actually trample the prosecution. Diya ba makita na to nga sakto bitaw ni siya, no? And then pagkita nila ani nga filean din siya kaso. Kangilad ba
Ningon na ra ba si Senator Lacson nga Senator Alan Peter Cayetano belongs in prison?
Precisely my point. Why is it that when you are a lawyer in the impeachment court and once you say something, why is it that you become a candidate for imprisonment? Why is it that you are prosecuted and persecuted by the administration? So, sakit kaayo ba paminahon nga ingon ani na ang atong gobyerno karon. Lisod na kay palit og bugas. Kay mahal kaayo atong gasolina ugma musaka na pog 10 pesos. Mingon mo di man ni saas gobyerno. Sa gyapon siya because wa ni natarong nato ang deregulation law deregulation law og implementar. Wa tay subsidy from government. And up to now gitagaan nag authority ang Malacañang to lift excise tax from oil and from lubricants, wa gyapon na nila gi-implement. Ang atong VAT is still there. Pwede untang makatabang unta ba sa mga tao, mga ordinaryong tao. Ang gasolina unta, they could have subsidized it or either lifted the tax, wa gyapon nila gibuhat na. Ilang gipadayon ni noon, gipadak-an pag-ayo ang ayuda. mao ninyo ang mga tao nga way trabaho, di na ninyo mangitag trabaho kay tungod magsige na lang salig sa ayuda. So these are things that I feel so frustrated and disappointed with the way the government is running. So I am not saying that all of the cabinet members are not doing their jobs. They are. Some of them I laud also when they do things, but more than ever generally, kay generalization magidi atong gidiscuss karon, the government has not been doing their jobs. But mo na akong frustration sa health department, and that's why I'm very happy that Secretary Herbosa finally resigned from office and give it to somebody who has better administrative skills rather than a secretary who just wants power, who just wants to occupy the seats of higher echelons rather than serve the government, serve the people who are here suffering, especially when it comes to health issues. Daghan kaayog issue ang gobyerno karon, Brigada Juril and Brigada Arnel, that we have to tackle on, that we have to address. Di na to nimba one by one kay kuwang usa ka adlaw. Pero sa ako lang is that I hope that they find it in their hearts to stop political bickerings, because as of now it has caused so much divisiveness and divide in our nation. This impeachment proceeding is one of those nga has caused so much divisive structure in our, not only in political but also even going to the roots of family. Ang mga pamilya nag-away-away na because of politika. The faith of the people, parishioners are losing their faith in the church because of what their leaders have been preaching in the pulpit. These are things, the justice system, nawa na ang atong gana ug nawa na atong trust in the justice system. So where are we going now? It's like we are already in a society of fear. Nga once we speak something against government, mahadlok ta because a case might be filed against us. Once we tell the truth, mahadlok ta kay prisuhon ta. So asa man gyud ta mulugar ani, because for us truth will protect us when will set us free. Di man hinuuna tinuod ani nga administrasyon. When we speak the truth, prison ta, they will not set us free. They will put us in prison. Tanawa ng 18 Marines, tanawa si Marcoleta. Marcoleta did a very good job when it comes to the Blue Ribbon Committee. Pag human niya kuan sa Blue Ribbon, kinsa gipapriso? Si Diskaya, who could have been a very good state witness. No, kay contractor ba ya? Siya gid untay mutudlo sa tanan ditong nang warta. Gipapriso si Diskaya ang magtiayon. Gipapriso si Marcoleta being the Blue Ribbon. Karon, kinsa na po gusto nila papriso? Jinggoy Estrada, gipapriso nila. Unsa may sa ni Jinggoy? Kabalo ka, Brigada Arnel o Brigada Juril, kaning kang kaso ni Jinggoy, basin pa siguro mutuo ko atong first and second cases. Pero gi-acquit na siya ha sa first and second case on plunder. In other words, wa siya isa. Pero kanig yung kasuha on the third nga plunder niya, para gyud nakuha ginisa ang senador ani. Di na po siguro ko mag-plunder kung after 2 times kung gipriso. Pero mo lagi naghimong poster boy.
Sa uban ba nga wa kuno gihimong poster boy nga wa gi kuno mutagam.
Di na ningon wala ni tagam ni si Jinggoy. I think ni tagam na ni siya, pero gihimo lang poster boy because it's easy for him to go back to prison. Like,
vulnerable, the most
vulnerable ba? The administration, sige, ipriso na siya. Anyway, mga tao mas mutuo. Kaya anyway, na-priso naman na siya.
Same kang Bong
Revilla, di ba? Kang Bong Revilla gani makaingon pa kog na personal knowledge kay si Bernardo mismo ang nihatod nga tos kwarta, pero kang Jinggoy wala, hearsay tanan. Di man maingon mo ipriso nato, asa naman ni unsa naman nganong man ang sandigan cannot even give bail against or bail to Senator Jinggoy when the evidence is not strong, when the evidence of guilt is not strong. Kay hearsay man tanan ang nag-ebidensya gihatag sa Sandigan Bayan. So these are things that gets me frustrated as a lawyer and as a common human being, and also a constituent of the Republic of the Philippines. This frustrates me, this disappoints me. Pero karong adlaw wa jud ko na disappoint kana ako ninyo, together with Brigada Arnel and Brigada Attorney Juril. You also did not disappoint me with the coffee that you gave kay Lagi kayo.
Lami kay na Maxan coffee gyud panira.
Yes, and now I will try PowerCell to also power my brain more, and so that I can serve the Filipino people more when it comes to my Regal POV. So thank you very much for this opportunity. Ani sa Tira Brigada hinaut untang dili ni katapusan.
Dili, daghan
Ah,
pa ta.
daghan pa.
Napakoy kuan lang nga Panyera, no? Kay
paabot nimo.
your frustration is kani usanas mga kaning nakahimo ron nga 34% na lang ang trust rating ni PBBM instead of 35% last March karon 34% na lang from gikan na sa 98% ni
98.
atong Hunyo last year Brigada Arnel, no? But karon nagkaubos. Hypothetical question na Panyera, Attorney Regal Oliva, unsa kay tan-aw nimo? Unsay maing buhaton ni PBBM nga mubalik ang imong pagsalig ngadto niya?
As of now, nakaduol ang 2028, nakaduol po ng yung the term that he ends. I think it might be also, I hope that he finds in his heart to settle political differences. Wa naman siya ani lapdog naman ni nga presidente. 'Di ba? Wa naman tay mahitabuan ni niya. If he can only settle different political differences and restart, can you just press the restart button and then move on, and then but I don't know if this can still happen.
Oh,
Kay grabe na kay kasakit ba?
Oh,
Damage has
Sakit
been done.
ang panghitabo.
irreparable na.
That's true, ha?
Oh.
Murag makayong putag irreparable na ni siya. But that's why, unsa magi dapat niyang buhaton, I think he concentrates on lifting the economy na lang unta. Para ang mga tao mas nindot ang ilahang quality of life. Even if he continues the political turmoil that he has caused, mas nindot lang unta ang quality of life and the living conditions of every Filipino people. Kay as of now, gid lisura gid kay panginabuhi karon. We cannot anymore buy the same groceries as we have had 2 years ago.
Tinuod.
Lisod na kaayo ang ato. Di na ta maka full tank sa atong mga sakyanan. Di na ta makapalit og bugas nga parehos ka gwapa o kanindot nga ato ang gipangkaon pareho sa una, because bati magud nang magsitag sulti nga kanindot sa mong kinabuhi sa una, nagkabati inon karon. Our communication lines, our internet connection is not doing well, is not progressing. Our economy is not progressing. The educational status of our country is worsening. We are now ahead only of Laos, and even Cambodia is now overtaking us when it comes to education. The health crisis of the Philippines is worsening, and still the leadership is still turning a blind eye. Agriculture is very bad in our country.
Yeah,
So the environment is also turning at its worst. So asa naman ta, tourism is not also gaining ground. Lupigan na lang tas Vietnam, nalupigan na lang ta sa other countries when it comes to tourism. Even Indonesia, we were tourism leaders in our country, pero asa na ta karon gibutang, wa na gyud. So I really hope that we can step up and then change even some of our sectors lang. Kung di ninyo ma-address ang political issue, then address the other sectors. Don't concentrate on the political and filing cases on people that you don't like, because it will still continue. Mas manganak ning mga tao nga di ganahan nimo. Better off deliver your promises to other sectors, and there other people can see at least miski unsa pa ni siya kadi maayong pagka-presidente na lifted akong quality of life during the pita.